Hey guys, thanks for joining.
Thanks, Ralph. That's my buddy Ralph right there. Check him out. So picking up from the last video where I talked about flow state, you can click on it right here if you missed it. I highly suggest you go back and watch it. We talked about what flow state is and how to operate in it, but today we're gonna talk about how to tap into flow state. Pioneering psychologist Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi is known as the father of flow. He's the one that coined the term flow, and it refers to the psychological state of optical performance. Csikszentmihalyi describes 8 characteristics of flow.
1,
Complete concentration on the task.
2,
Clarity of goals and reward in mind.
3,
Transformation of time. The experience is intrinsically rewarding. More on what that means later. Effortlessness and ease. There's a balance between challenge and skill. Actions and awareness are merged, losing self-consciousness. There's a feeling of control over the task. And something that's important to note is that if you have distractions around you, it's kind of hard to get in the flow state and to stay in the flow state. I know there's been times where I've been creating or just doing simple tasks like cleaning or cooking or something like that. And if I get a text message or a phone call, somebody just walks in the room, it kind of just messes up my flow.
Got distracted.
He got distracted.
Pro tip, turn off your smartphone when you're doing the task that you're trying to complete. It's best to put it on airplane mode, do not disturb, turn the Wi-Fi off, turn the whole phone off, really, just throw it out. Tapping into flow is about balance between the level of skill and the size of the challenge you're taking on. So when we say intrinsically rewarding, we mean it's something that you love to do and you do it because you love it. When we say extrinsically rewarding, we're referring to something that you're doing because you feel like you have to do it, or you feel like you might get in trouble because you don't do it. We don't want none of that. We want intrinsic motivation to be operating. We want to do it because we love to do it, and we don't want to do anything out of fear. So again, I'm gonna be creating a song from scratch. Stick around, check it out, listen to some great music, watch me work. All right, dudes and dudettes, let's do this. Have Logic pulled up again. This is Logic 11. I'm on version 11.1.2, and it's been pretty smooth so far. I'm digging it. And I'm just about to flow with this music and see what happens. And there we go already. I think I'm gonna roll with this. Okay, let's try it. Okay. You're a little too late. Okay, let's add some drums. So this is a LinnDrum emulation by Ali James Lab. It's called V-Prom. It's very close to the LM1, honestly, if I must say. Okay, let's change the tuning of this snare a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna make this a multi-output track. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into the settings here, change the output routing to multi-out. Then I'm gonna open up my mixer in Logic. And this plus button right here, I'm just gonna keep clicking till I can't click anymore. And it's gonna create different auxes, all of these different buses. And then I'm going to create track. And when I go back to my arrangement view, I have all the tracks that I just created. So now if I play a snare or this rim shot, it's on a rim shot track. Snares right here, kick, all this different stuff. So now if I want to manipulate it independently, I can do that. All right, let's go back to recording. Let's make this last one dot dot. Oh, not that fast. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, okay. Let's do that. Yep. Let's turn you down just a wee bit. Let's add a flanger to this. 2 bars. Okay, what else should we add? Overthinking it, just flowing. Ooh. I like that. I hear a bell, so I'm gonna add a bell. Woo! There we go. All right. One more time. I wasn't confident. Here we go. I'm gonna add a guitar. I think I'm gonna roll with the Fender Strat. I call her Selena. Ain't she party? All plugged in, ready to go. Oh yeah, buddy. Cooking with something now. Let's do the same thing. Let's duplicate this guy and double him. Let's put an EQ on this. I get the stinky, nasty frequencies out. And we cut them. Not overthinking it. Let's add a bass. Say bye to Selena, guys. Bye, Selena. All right, let's add a bass now. I'm gonna grab our Fender Jazz bass. His name is Sonny. All right, come on out, Sonny. Ooh. This is Sonny right here. Fender Jazz. I've had him for about over 10 years, maybe even 15. guys. Say bye to Sunny. Bye, Sunny. Bye, Sunny. Now I think I'm gonna add one more bass. Like just fill the bottom end up. If y'all stayed for this long, I appreciate y'all. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and a comment down below. If you've been in the flow state recently, what you been flowing in? How's your process been? I want to know it all, so leave a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay in contact with me. Many more videos coming soon. And just thank you all for watching this so far. If you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment again. I'm out this joint. Like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all next time.